How to remove blackheads naturally. Blackheads are accumulations of horn and tallow. The black dots are because of the pigment of the skin and is not filth. They are annoying but are also easily prevented and removed. You are going to need the following thing. Something like a tray, a spoon, toothpaste. The brand doesn't matter. Salt. So how do we remove them? Put some salt and toothpaste in the tray and start the mixing. Don't make too much though, just enough to cover the spots you want to scrub with it, because toothpaste can be a bitch to clean out of your tray. Now we have our mixture. You can start applying it on the blackheads. Leave it on for about 5 minutes, and yes, a stingy feeling is normal. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Home remedies to remove blackheads on nose. Egg white nose strips. Apply 1 coat of egg white on the clean nose. Take a clean tissue paper and place it on the area with blackheads. Once it dries, remove the tissue in outward direction. Overnight honey. Before going to bed, put few drops of lemon juice in 1 spoon of honey and rub it gently on your nose in circular motion. Leave it on overnight. Lemon essential oil. Pour high-grade lemon oil on clean cotton ball. Dilute with a small amount of water. Apply directly to affected skin with the cotton ball. Allow it to dry naturally. Cinnamon mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with a pinch of cinnamon powder. Is a good homemade blackhead remover. Apply it over the blackhead and leave it on for 15 minutes. 5 natural ways to remove blackheads. Cleanse your skin regularly. Keep your fingers away from most blackheads. Remove makeup before bed. Apply moisturizer daily. Avoid over-washing skin. We hope that you are learning something new every day from our video. If you would like to know about a specific topic, inbox us, email us, or comment down below.